Kung nasabihin niya, sundin niyo, maliwanag.
Sir, yes sir.
Medyo matagal pa ba kami rito?
Well, hopefully, dun sa info na nakuha natin kay Gino, matapos na lahat to.
Tay, yung pakiusap lang po namin ni Jinho, na pag nakita niyo po si Lisa, huwag niyo po siyang sasaktan.
Gino, yan din bilin sa akin ng anak ko nung hinuli ka namin na huwag kang sasaktan.
Joey, thank you.
Kaya mo gagawin ko lahat ng paraan para hindi siya masaktan.
Thank you po, Tay.
Thank you, sir. Now I know why Joey is always positive. She got that from you.
Ingat ka po.
I'm sorry.
You really scared me. You really did.
I know. Sobrang stress ko lang talaga lately.
And I think you should take a break. Kung naaapektuhan ka na, you know, it's just work.
Tama ka. I have an idea. Tama ka na I should detach myself sa work ko kahit sandali lang. And I think ang groundbreaking event ng foundation ang pinakamagandang outlet.
Really? Aattend ka bukas?
Yes. Siyempre, gusto ko i-support ang wife ko. And I think this is the perfect opportunity for the foundation. So, I want to be there for my wife.
Thank you, Han.
Well, aayusin ko pala yung susuotin ko. Saan nga to gagawin yung event na to?
Doon sa Old Prairie, nabili na yung part ng lupa doon. And with enough donations and sponsorship, mapapatayo na rin yung orphanage doon.
Well, I'm sure it will be a success.
Thank you, Han.